In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid common Notion mistakes and build a clean, effective workspace. If you've ever opened Notion and felt overwhelmed, you're not alone. The most common pitfalls come from over-engineering, poor organization, and skipping the basics. Let's simplify your setup so it's powerful, maintainable, and tailored to you. First, resist the urge to build an intricate system on day one. Too many linked databases, properties, and formulas can make your workspace heavy and hard to manage. Instead, think in terms of a minimum viable product. Start with the essentials that solve your most important needs, then layer on complexity only when you clearly understand the gaps. For example, begin with a small number of databases and a handful of properties. As your workflow stabilizes, you can add relations, roll-ups, and more advanced views where they truly help. Keep your main dashboard light and focused. Use it for top-level views and quick access to your most important pages. Move the granular details onto dedicated subpages so your home base stays clean and fast. This keeps your attention on priorities without burying you in noise. Don't skip databases. They're one of Notion's biggest strengths for organizing tasks, projects, and notes in a way that scales. A simple tasks database and a projects database can replace scattered pages and help you track progress consistently. Pair this with a clear hierarchy from the start. Map out how your pages relate, such as by areas, projects, and resources, so you don't end up with a jumbled maze later. A consistent naming scheme is the glue that holds it together, making it easier to scan and search as things grow. Before you rely on advanced templates, learn the fundamentals: pages, blocks, properties, relations, and views. That knowledge gives you confidence to customize. When you're building complex databases, use a desktop or laptop if you can. The larger screen and keyboard speed up structure and editing. For research, use the web clipper to save articles and resources directly into Notion, keeping everything centralized and searchable. Adapt templates to fit your needs rather than copying them exactly. Your workflow is unique, so make sure the structure serves you. And take advantage of Notion's search to find notes across your workspace, which reduces the need for external apps for simple lists or ideas. Keep it simple, build intentionally, and let your system grow with you. That's how Notion becomes a reliable tool instead of a burden.